Constitution of India, even if the executive and the legislative commit any offence, that can be decided by the Supreme Court of India. If an executive or legislative act against the Constitution of India, the Supreme Court take necessary steps. Like that, the Supreme Court of India gave a direction to the Karnataka government to release water to the Tamil Nadu every month as per the judgment. So far, in Karnataka, more than 80 DMC water is there. The Karnataka CM Sivakumar ji refused to release per day 3,500 cubic water to Tamil Nadu. But at the same time, day before yesterday, there was a heavy rain in Kerala. Due to that waters come to Tamil Nadu. From Tamil Nadu, we can direct it to the Bhavani Sagar dams. But here the politicians are not taking any steps. So that water went to the Karnataka. In Karnataka, Gabani was overflow. If they will not release the water, they will cause us so many damages in Karnataka. So, to save the Karnataka people, they have released the water from Gabani for second 25,000 cubics. Already the Karnataka CM refused to release 3,500 cubic water to Tamil Nadu, but now they are releasing 25,000 to save their people, their state. What is the use of the Constitution of India? Constitution in India? What is the use of the judgment of Supreme Court? So, our Honorable CM Joseph Vijay must file a suit in the Supreme Court demanding 1 lakh crore from the Karnataka, and they must give to the farmers, those who have not cultivated the Guruvai, Samba and Kodai paddy. So that's the reason even central government as well as the Supreme Court has not taken any steps against the Karnataka government. So they have not released water us, so we have not cultivated the land, so we buried in the mud and we want to die here. Even we want to hang today here. So before that, the central government, the Supreme Court must take necessary steps against the Karnataka government, release the water regularly hereafter to the Tamil Nadu.